Tired of trading time for money? Welcome. We're diving into the 7 best passive income ideas to start building your wealth in 2026. Passive income is the holy grail of financial freedom. Let's start by understanding what it is and why it's crucial for your financial future. Passive income means earning money with minimal effort after the initial work is done. It diversifies your income streams and protects you from relying solely on a traditional job. We've curated a list of 7 high-potential passive income ideas specifically relevant for 2026. Get ready to plant those seeds of financial growth. Our first idea is affiliate marketing. This is a time-tested strategy that continues to evolve with the digital landscape. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The key to scaling affiliate income is building an audience through platforms like a blog, YouTube channel, or dedicated social media presence. The content works for you long after it's published. Next up is a foundational investment strategy, dividend stocks and ETFs. This is true passive income from the financial markets. You invest in shares of companies or funds that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, the dividends. This provides a steady cash flow directly to you. The real magic happens when you automatically reinvest those dividends. This compound growth dramatically accelerates your portfolio's growth over time. Digital products offer incredible leverage. Think of ebooks, templates, online courses, or software that you create once and sell repeatedly. Once the product is created and uploaded, the selling, payment, and delivery can be fully automated, making this a near-perfect passive income stream. Because there are no inventory or shipping costs, digital products typically have high profit margins, allowing you to scale your earnings rapidly. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending is a digital solution for the age-old practice of lending money for interest. Through online platforms, you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, bypassing traditional banks and earning competitive interest rates. While returns can be high, P2P lending carries default risk. Mitigate this by diversifying your investments across multiple borrowers and loan grades. Rental income has long been a staple of passive wealth, and today that includes more than just physical property. This could be traditional real estate, like rental apartments, or digital real estate, such as virtual property in the metaverse, or even renting out server space. To keep the quote passive in passive income, utilize property management services or specialized digital tools to handle maintenance and tenant issues. Our 6th idea focuses on automated physical micro-businesses, like vending machines or laundromats. These businesses require an initial investment for equipment and location scouting, but modern technology allows for remote monitoring and cashless payment, significantly reducing daily active management. Once operational, the required time commitment is minimal, often limited to restocking inventory or maintenance, making them excellent passive cash flow sources.